Hello and welcome to Corjl Tips and Tricks. My name is Ashley, and today I will be sharing tips on the file formats available to download within the Corjl platform. As a Corjl designer, you may be creating designs or templates that will need to be downloaded at some point. So, which file format do you choose, and which format should you make available for your customers? The download file formats available in Corjl are JPEG, PDF, PNG, and SVG. As a Corjl designer, you have access to all of these file formats to download your design. Your customers will only have access to the formats you select for them. So if you do not want your customers to download as a PNG, you can disable that option account-wide for all designs. Or if you have a certain design that only requires an SVG download option, then you can disable the other three so your customer will only have that one option to download with. A question we get often is, what file format option should I download if I want to email or text out the invite? The best format would be a JPEG. JPEG files can be added to an email copy, and they can also be saved to your phone's photo gallery and added to a text message with ease. I hope this breaks down the file format options that Corjl offers for downloading. Don't hesitate to reach out to support@corjl.com for any further questions or examples. See you next time!